This is going to be a 13th video. So till now I was on a digital circuits. So I will be making more videos on digital circuit, but I have brought one more new video. So that is about a microcontroller, which is one of my favorite subject, and I am going to teach a microcontroller known as 8051. So I'm going to mostly teaching the coding part, that is assembly language and a C programming. So there must be some theory which is used for coding part also, so I'm going to bringing that theory also. So for coding part I'm going to use a software known as skill mu vision 3, and there is one more software which is also suitable for coding, that is skill mu vision 5. You can use either of them. I'm going to use skill mu vision 3. So let us open this first. So this is going to be an introductory video. So there is no, I'm going to give one small program of 2 line. So you may not understand in this video, but don't worry, just type that program and run it. But in the next video I will make sure that you understand it. So this is just an introductory video. So let us open the software. So I'm going to cancel it. So this is going to be an introductory video. Let us first close this project and start with a base. So after opening, this is how your windows look. So just download this mu vision 3 or mu vision 5. You will get it in the Keel official software. Then just make a project, go for the project, just follow my instructions, then go for new project, then give a name for your project. You can give any name. I'm going to give it as a first program. I have given just program, then save it. Then here comes one more window. So this window is used for selecting an chip. So I'm going, there are many chips like which are of different companies. So this is one type of virtual 8051. So I'm going to select a chip of the company known as ATMEL. So just go for ATML. So it is an A, it will be in the starting itself. Here it is ATMEL. Then there is a plus icon, just click on that. There are going to be a series of chips. So I am going to select a chip known as AT89C5 1ED2. So it is present at this place, you can see it. Just select it. You will get a description about the chip. If you want, you can read it, then select it and press OK. Here comes one more instruction known as copy standard 8051 startup code, but I don't want any startup code, so I'm going to select it as no. So then we have created one project. Whatever files you are going to create in the further, that must be saved in this project. So just open, this project is open now. So just now go for file, then select new. This text window you will see, you are going to write a program at this place. Then you should save this file. Select the save, then give the name for the file. I'm going to give the name for the file as um, first program itself. First program. And extension for this file must be ASM, that is assembly language. Whenever you use one language, you for C program you give it as .c, and for Java you give it for .java. So in the same way you are going to give it .asm. So just give .asm and save. So your file has been saved. Now just write a 2 line program. Whatever I write, just copy it. So I will give a small brief about the whatever program I am writing. I am just transferring a data into one register. Registers are nothing but a memories. So here register is nothing but it is having a 8-bit memory. Just keep it in mind. It is an 8-bit memory. Register is an 8-bit memory which is present in a microcontroller 8051. So it is an 8-bit memory. So let us transfer a data. So move is an instruction used for transferring always. So move, you are moving something, that is moving a data. So first must be a destination. Whenever you write a move instruction, after that it must be a destination. So I'm going to destinate it at a R0. R0 is an R0 register. Then I'm going to give one colon. Then I'm going to give one data, that is hash 60h. So I'm going to give a hash 60h. H is for hexadecimal, hash is an syntax, and 60 is a number. So 60 is a hexadecimal number. So next I'm going to give a one more instruction for move R1 hash 70h. So I'm going to give a comment at beside it. So beside it there is going to be a comment. You may have been seen in other languages like giving a this for comment. In this language you are going, there is no, one more thing, there is no semicolon in this language. You must have been seen in a C programming or Java that there is a semicolon for end statement, but there is no semicolon in this programming. Give some space, and I will give a semicolon for commenting. So here I am going to give a comment as, here the value of R0, you have moved a 60h into R0. So the value of R0 will be equal to 60, and the value of R1, that is a register 1, is going to be R1 is equal to 70. So this is just a small program. We are not doing anything, just we are making R0 as 60 and R1 as 70. Just we are giving the data to R0 and R1, that is 60 and 70. Then this move instruction is just moving the 60 to R0 and 70 to R1. And to run this program you have to do one more step. Go for this project workspace and click here plus. You will see a source group 1. Just go there and left click on it. You will see this icon, and add, here is a instruction known as add files to group source 1. Whatever you have created the file, you must add it in this project workspace. So just make this C file to ASM, because you are .asm you have created. So I have given it as ASM, and the name I have given it as first program. So select it and then add it. So this file is will be added at this place. You can see it. Now just go again to the source group 1, then click here build target. It is going to build your program. So here comes an instruction, 0 errors, 1 warning. So I'm going to just ignore the warning. Then go to the next step, that is debug. Then start or stop debugging session. So you can see this window. Then you will be seeing an project workspace. It has all the register that is having 8051. So these are all the registers, that is R0, R1, R2, R3, R2, R7. Then there are some special registers such as A, B, and there is also a carry register which is present in PSW. You can see it in the last PSW. So I'm going to tell the structure of PSW also in the further video. Just if you don't understand anything, it's okay. Just follow my steps. These are the register dialog. Then again you go for a debug. There is an option known as run. Just click on the run. You may be seeing here R0 is equal to 60 and R1 equal to 70. Whatever you have given to the data for R0 and R1, you can see it in this. So this is a project workspace. It's okay if you did not understand anything in this video. You just created one project and a new file, and you have learned how to create a project and file, and how to write a lines, and how to build it, how to debug it. You have just learned these things. You are not learned what is move, what is registers. If you did not understand anything, it's okay. In the next in the next video, I will make sure that you will understand everything. So that's it for today. Thank you.